Hello and welcome back to another one of my videos. So today I'm going to be doing another review, but this one is not of a locomotive, it's of some rolling stock. This is going to be some, what I think, quite unique and a bit weird rolling stock. So you may have noticed that I have not posted in 2 weeks. It's just because I'm just battling with some personal stuff and I didn't have the energy. So what I'm showing you are these. These are some old Arnold wagons that I got at a local model shop that is now sadly closed down. And I got these for £4 each. I have 3 of them, but only 2 of them are in a box. So let's open the box. So the wagon are these. Oh, sorry for the blackness. But these are what's known as tipping wagons. I've never seen these before, never had these before. So these are quite unique to my collection and to the layout. And as you can see here, it tips from back to front. And these are made by Arnold in West Germany. I have absolutely no idea how old these are, so if people do know in the comments how old they are, please do let me know. These have the normal style couplings for N-gauge, but these are very cool wagons. And as you can see, the packaging is just 2 little bits of packing peanuts. But yeah, so if you want to see these running on the layout, please do let me know and I'll get those out and about. And if anyone can find out the age of these, please tell me down in the comments and give me suggestions on what you'd like to see next. I think at the end of the month, I know that some of the steam lines are up and running. I think some of them were already up and running, but my local one, Plain Valley, is back and running on the 31st of March. So if you want to see more videos of them, of that line, please let me know down in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.